Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and you are watching TNB Academy. ISO 10001 is not just about complaint handling or customer satisfaction. It is a strategic tool that directly impacts your bottom line. Organizations that implement it efficiently can convert happy, loyal customers into repeat revenue, brand advocates, and long-term profitability. Unresolved complaints, inefficiencies, and customer churn all cost money. But ISO 10001 helps reduce these losses while maximizing financial gains. By focusing on structured complaint management, transparent communication, and continuous improvement, companies can transform customer satisfaction into measurable financial benefits. Now, customer retention and repeat business. One of the most direct financial benefits of ISO 10001 is retaining customers. Loyal customers spend more, buy repeatedly, and are less expensive to maintain than acquiring new ones. By addressing complaints efficiently and ethically, organizations prevent churn and encourage repeat purchases, which has a direct impact on revenue. For example, a customer receives prompt resolution for a product issue and continues to purchase from the company, increasing lifetime value and revenue without extra acquisition cost. Reducing cost of complaints. Unresolved complaints can be expensive, leading to refunds, replacements, and reputational damage. ISO 10001 reduces these costs by ensuring complaints are tracked, addressed promptly, and resolved efficiently, preventing escalation and repeated issues. For example, delivery complaints are analyzed and processes are streamlined, reducing refunds, logistical cost, and wasted resources. Now, increasing customer lifetime value, that is CLV. By enhancing customer loyalty and satisfaction, ISO 10001 directly increases customer lifetime value. That is the total revenue a customer generates over their relationship with a business. Loyal customers also become advocates, attracting new business and reducing marketing cost. For example, a subscription client whose technical complaint is resolved quickly renews multiple subscriptions and recommends the service to others, boosting both recurring revenue and referrals. Boosting brand reputation and sales. Handling complaints fairly and transparently under ISO 10001 enhances a brand's reputation. Trustworthy brands attract more customers, can charge premium prices, and enjoy increased sales. Positive customer experiences become marketing assets themselves. For example, a restaurant chain handles complaints efficiently, earning positive reviews and increasing footfall, which allows higher pricing without losing customers. Now let's discuss about the employee productivity and cost savings. Well-trained employees following ISO 10001 protocols resolve complaints faster and more effectively, reducing the time spent on escalations and rework. Clear procedures also lower stress and turnover, indirectly saving cost. For example, a call center resolves 90% of complaints on the first contact, reducing overtime and improving staff morale. Avoiding legal and compliance cost. ISO 10001's emphasis on ethical, transparent, and documented complaint handling helps organizations avoid potential legal disputes or regulatory penalties, saving significant cost. For example, proper documentation and timely resolution of a billing dispute prevent the issue from escalating into expensive legal action. Long-term financial growth. By integrating ISO 10001 into daily operations, organizations achieve sustainable financial benefits, reduced churn, lower operational cost, higher customer lifetime value, enhanced brand reputation, and minimized legal risk. For example, a subscription-based company monitors complaints and implements improvements, retaining 95% of customers annually, ensuring predictable revenue streams and profitability. ISO 10001 as a financial strategy. In conclusion, we can say that ISO 10001 is more than a customer satisfaction standard. It is a financial growth tool. By improving complaint handling, loyalty, operational efficiency, and brand reputation, organizations turn customer satisfaction into measurable financial benefits. Every complaint resolved effectively reduces cost, boosts revenue, and strengthens market position. Companies embracing ISO 10001 don't just satisfy customers, they create a financially stable model for long-term success. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TLV Academy.